In this video, I will be speed building a LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Playful Cat set 31163. This set consists of 407 pieces. There are 3 paper bags and 3 individual building instructions for each animal. Today I'm going to build a little kitty. Let's open bag number 1 and see what's inside. Firstly, I'm building little mouse friend. Adding cute little ears. And the little mouse is complete. It looks absolutely adorable. Next, I'm building a ball of yarn for Kitty to play with. I like this orange color. It makes the kitty toy very easy to spot on the floor. Building the ball was slightly tricky, but I got it right in the end. Now let's build a little yarn tail that I will attach it to the ball. And here it is, ready to be played with. Next, I'm building a bowl of food. It doesn't look a lot of food in there. I will need to find some more kitty food. Now on to main part, building the kitty. Oh, a very interesting piece. I haven't seen this one before. Looks like a little camera. 2 cameras. I think this is a little belly. The main part of Kitty is now finished. We just carry on adding on. Now I'm building little tail. It looks very realistic. Very easy to move any direction you want. Only a few leftover pieces from packet 1. Let's open packet 2. Now moving on to next part, building Kitty's head. I am wondering what color eyes he's gonna have. Ah, they look like black and blue. This is where the whiskers are going to be attached. I found a very interesting piece. I haven't seen this one before. It's like a triangle but like rounded. I am wondering if nose is going to be black or pink. It is black nose. How creative is to use plant pieces for his whiskers. Now I'm building his ears. Ah, how cute. I found building the back of Kitty's head a bit tricky because there are two types of grey, dark and light. I had to make sure I picked the right greys. Let's open packet number 3. When I opened this set and saw 3 packets, I thought Kitty might only use maybe 1 or 2 bags, but looks like it's all 3. Now I'm building Kitty's legs. So far, I really enjoy building Kitty. The instructions are very easy to follow. One back leg is finished, one more to go. Now I'm building the front leg, which is a lot easier than the back leg. Let's attach a back leg first, and the other one. And now front legs. Attaching head is also very easy. And here he is, almost complete. All it's left to do is make his little paws. On to next part, building little paws. I was kind of expecting a bit of pink in there, but these are purely white. And the kitty now is complete. It looks so cute. I'm very happy how he turned out. Only a few pieces left from bag number 3. Oh, he's so cute. What shall I call him? Felix is a nice name for a kitty. Do you know any other cool names for cats? Let me know in comments. Here you go, Felix. Here are your toys. I've got some food for you, Felix, but I think it's not enough there. Let me just add a bit more. That should be enough for the first meal. And I also have a bit of milk for you. I hope you like milk. This set is great for pet-loving adults and kids. Once you've played with a kitty, it can be rebuilt into a dog or a pigeon. Thanks for watching!